Hi, in this video we're going to add or subtract algebraic fractions where prior factorisation of the denominators is needed. So, as I said, we want to factorise any denominators where we can of these fractions, and we're going to see why that might be a good idea. So, this quadratic here, we just need two numbers that add to give the minus 13 times to give the 22. And by the way, if you don't know how to do quadratic factorisation, then please do watch my videos on that first. So those two numbers which add to minus 13 times give 22, they're minus 11 and minus 2. So those will be the two brackets. And then let's just copy this. There's nothing we can do with that second fraction yet. But can you see that we've got, in this denominator and this denominator, we've got a common factor of x minus 11. Now remember, to subtract or add fractions, you need the same denominator. So what I could do is if I just multiplied this second fraction by x minus 2 top and bottom, so x minus 2, and if I put that in brackets, that now enables me to times it by x minus 2, you can now see that I have the same denominators here, which enables me to now just subtract the numerators. So I've got 9 minus 1 x minus 2 in the numerator, and we've got x minus 11, x minus 2 at the bottom. Now, we do not expand the denominator. There's a good reason for it, but we should try to expand and simplify the numerator. So we're going to have 9 minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. Do not expand the denominator. And then that simplifies to what, 11 minus x, x minus 11, x minus 2. Now, there's a good reason we didn't expand the denominator, because actually there is a common factor, top and bottom, which we're going to be able to cancel. Now, in general, if I had, for example, I don't know, a subtraction like this, 9 minus 6, and I divided it by the same subtraction but with the numbers swapped around, so 6 minus 9, you can see that's 3 over minus 3, which is negative 1, right? And more generally, if you have a minus b over b minus a, so the same subtraction with the numbers swapped around, you're always going to get negative 1. And you can see, look, this x minus 11 minus x and the x minus 11, it's the same subtraction, but the numbers swapped around. So when we divide these, we're just going to get minus 1. So this is going to nicely simplify to negative 1 over x minus 2. And actually, we could simplify it even further. We try to have as few minus symbols as possible. So if I was to multiply top and bottom by negative 1, can you see that the numerator becomes just 1? And the denominator, x minus 2, becomes minus x plus 2, which we can just write as 2 minus x. So in general, when you times something minus something by minus 1, it just swaps the two numbers, so you get 2 minus x. And you can see this just looks cleaner, doesn't it? So that is the best answer we're going to get.